I'm sorry, I can't share that one with you, the average age of our customers. But what I can share with you though is the average age of the customers that view our online presence. As you're aware, we're very present on all social media platforms, to include Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So the average age of those viewers ranges between 22 to 44, 45. Yeah. And at that age, 44, 45, that's the generation that started the whole thing of having computers in classroom. So they were the ones that would use Microsoft 3.1 or something to that effect. So they really gravitate towards the social side of advertisement, really, of putting things out there. They are a major part of our viewership. I would say about 70% of our online content is viewed by them. But when we break it down, into, say, revenue, let's break it down into numbers. They're really not the group of customers that um, does the bigger or go for the big ticket items. That's for a different class of customers though. We appreciate and love everyone just the same. Um, as the bank, as the banks go ahead and increase the amount of credit and debit cards that they issue, we see a rise in the amount of online play, of online purchases, and which is a good thing for us, and everyone in this kind of business. It lends a presence that we really appreciate, and it's only going to get better, and we're looking forward to it.